When you decide it's time to add a furry friend to your family, sometimes the time is just right. You walk into an animal shelter, lock eyes with wet-nosed, eager dog, and then it's set and match. That's your new furry best friend, and it was all decided in a matter of seconds. You may be surprised how often this match made in heaven occurs. Hint, it happens more often than you think. We've compiled just 30 of the many times this happy exchange has happened, and just looking at these happy pairings makes our metaphorical tail wag. One big smiles for the road ahead too. Luna, happy to be heading to her new forever home. 3. Finally their family is complete. 4. Their heads make them look like long-lost family members. 5. This smile says it all. 6. Love at first boop. 7. Two fabulous and timeless gals. 8. Police, man's best friend. 9. Went to rescue a dog, got a bear instead. 10. So happy to finally meet each other. 11. At peace just 20 minutes after they adopted her. 12. I wonder who's happier. 13. Off to new adventures. 14. Thrilled to hear the good news, she's adopted. 15. She rode like this the whole way home. 16. The best day of her life, so far. 17. Home is in her arms. 18. When she met Tata for the first time. 19. All 46 pounds, 21 kilograms, wanted to sit on my lap on the way home from being adopted. I love my new best friend. 20. Toffee is extra happy to go home. 21. Happy howls. 22. Sweet kisses at first sight. 23. A picture perfect moment. 24. At peace together. 25. Within minutes of holding her, she fell asleep. 26. Love at first stare off. 27. Best friends forever. 28. His name is Sir Benedict Blanco. 29. It's never too late to adopt a best friend. 30. Drove 12 HRS through forest fires to the other side of the province to pick up Phoenix from a wonderful animal rescue group, KAAP.